Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we're going to talk about something that can totally change your day. Breakfast. We're diving into 7 amazing high-protein vegetarian recipes that are designed to completely transform your mornings. So if you're tired of that same old boring routine, you are in exactly the right place.
So, let me ask you a question. Is your breakfast holding you back? Are you kind of stuck in a breakfast rut, eating the same thing day in and day out? Or worse, are you grabbing something on the go that leaves you feeling totally wiped out by 10 a.m.? Yeah, we're gonna fix that.
Okay, let's just get real for a second, because these problems are super common, right? Most of our go-to breakfasts are pretty low in protein, and that's the key nutrient that keeps you feeling full and satisfied. Without it, you're pretty much setting yourself up for that mid-morning energy crash. And when you're bored with your food, it's just so easy to make unhealthy choices when you're in a rush. But what if we could solve all of this?
All right, first up, we're not trying to reinvent the wheel here. We're just gonna supercharge it. This whole first part is about taking those classics you already know and love and giving them a really simple but powerful protein upgrade.
So let's take poha. It's a classic flattened rice dish. Super delicious, but yeah, it's mostly carbs. Now here's the genius hack. You just add boiled chickpeas. That's it. It's such a tiny change, but it completely transforms the dish into a balanced, protein-packed meal. It is literally that easy.
And here's the payoff. I mean, look at these numbers. The protein poha clocks in at over 10 grams of protein for only 200 calories. That's fantastic. And as you'll see in a second, another classic isn't far behind. These are serious numbers for such comforting, easy dishes.
And this just shows you how simple this is. For the poha, you're basically making it the way you normally would. You just toss in those chickpeas. And for the paratha, you make this incredible, savory stuffing with roasted peas and that soft crumbled paneer. You just stuff that into some whole wheat dough and cook it on a hot pan till it's golden. Seriously, minimal effort for maximum reward.
Okay, let's keep going. If you're feeling a little more adventurous, this next batch of recipes might just become your new morning go-to. Let's find you a new favorite.
For anyone who wants that satisfying omelet experience, but, without the eggs, you have got to meet the Moong Dal Chilla. Now, a chilla is basically a savory Indian pancake, kind of like a crepe. This version uses a batter made from moong lentils, which makes it an amazing, naturally gluten-free and high-protein alternative. And the nutrition on this thing is seriously impressive. We're talking 14 grams of protein. That is a really substantial amount that is definitely going to keep you full and energized all the way until lunchtime. No question.
Now for something you might not have heard of, ape. Think of them as these delightful little ball-shaped savory pancakes. The version we're looking at is especially clever because it uses a batter made from sprouted lentils, which makes them incredibly nutritious, light, and fluffy.
And you can see just how versatile these new ideas are. You can have 8 of those sprouts of pefa for 9 grams of protein at only 140 calories. Perfect if you want a lighter start. Or for something a bit heartier, the vegetable quinoa cutlets are like these savory pan-fried patties that give you over 9 grams of protein. So many great options to explore here.
Okay, this final section is all about working smarter, not harder. These recipes are absolutely perfect for those super busy mornings when you need maximum nutrition with, well, minimum fuss.
I absolutely love this tip. It's just so practical, right? The whole idea is to use your dinner leftovers to create something totally new and delicious for breakfast. This is the secret behind Masiya Roti, which is a savory flatbread.
All you do is knead your leftover dal right into the flour to make this incredible dough. Each flatbread or roti has a really solid 5.5 grams of protein. It's such a brilliant way to cut down on waste and start your day with a protein boost.
But we have definitely saved the best for last. Get ready for this. We've seen some pretty impressive numbers so far. 9 grams, 10, even 14 grams of protein. But what if I told you one of these breakfasts packs a whopping 19.5 grams of protein? Yeah, let's find out which one it is.
And here it is, folks, the paneer stuffed besan chilla. This is the undisputed protein champion of our entire list. It's a simple pancake made from chickpea flour, or a besan, and it's filled with spiced paneer. At almost 20 grams of protein, this breakfast is a true powerhouse.
So wow, we've covered a ton of delicious ground. Let's wrap this all up with your new breakfast playbook, just pulling together the key takeaways to get you started on transforming your own mornings.
If you're looking for the biggest protein punch, this chart makes it crystal clear. That besan chilla is just in a league of its own. It's followed by the Moong Dal Chilla, and then that simple but super effective protein poha. You might want to screenshot this one for your meal planning.
So here's the bottom line. Starting your day with a protein-rich breakfast, it's not just about hitting a number. It's about boosting your energy, supporting your health goals, and actually feeling full and satisfied until lunch. And like we've seen, it can be totally delicious, super easy, and made with simple ingredients you probably already have.
And that brings us to the end. You now have 7 incredible recipes ready to go. So the only real question left is, which one are you going to try tomorrow morning?